Hello and welcome back to this channel. For new visitors, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. For this video of Android Kotlin program tutorial, you will learn about how to display bubble chart data, a full tutorial for Android chart tutorial series using Kotlin and Android Studio tutorial. So this is it. So let's start. If you watched the previous tutorial on this YouTube channel, you will understand this. We will use this library, Android MPAndroidChart, a quick overview from manifest, from Gradle wrapper properties used in this project, and this Gradle properties. Yes, it's view binding, and this customize the background into white, and then let's just delete this and then type the bubble chart. Okay, so let's zoom in for this. For now, we use the bubble entry. Just select this. Here we go. Then let's delete this value. Okay, then replace. We use this value, but for in the bubble entry, we have another data. What? Let's just copy this. The size, yes, the size of the bubble. If our size is 34, they call this in the row 34. Let's just add or adjust the ratio. Maybe I add 1.4. Let's just copy. Maybe I add 20. 30. 70. 5. 55. Okay, now let's just rename this into bubble dataset. Okay, just rename this into default value data set. Okay, and then bubble chart. So for to customize this, our bubble chart, let's type this value. You can customize the text size. Okay, 12F, 12 float, and then the value text ops value text color. Maybe I prepared black because the background is white, and then the radius, the selected radius, highlight color width. Okay, maybe 6 is enough. So that's it. We have set this. Okay, let's just delete this because it is from the previous tutorial. Then select the bubble data, and then let's just copy this. Okay, change the value data. Just delete this. Okay, I forgot this. Let's just delete this. Okay, now this is the combined chart. The remaining is the zoom type, maybe no for now. I don't like the zoom. Forget this. That's it. We show the data. This is the highlight. Set highlight circle width. Now I will add some customize this. For this the customization of the chart. This, and also this is an optional, but for the sake of tutorial I will add this. Y-axis, axis left. Okay, then I'll copy this, binding the chart, then axis left, and then Y, axis left, then text color, I prepare blue. Okay, blue. Then val x-axis by up, binding the chart again, and then x-axis. Okay, x-axis, then text color, then I think I select light gray. We can also customize the size, then text size 12F is okay. Just copy this and then okay. Oops. Okay, and for the last one is val y-axis. Right. Binding the chart, then y axis right. Okay, y axis right is enable, and then false. We can disable the display data in y-axis. Okay, and then let's run again. Okay, that's it. If you this is the okay y-axis right, we disable the displaying data, color light gray. This is from the top. We can customize the size, text size, and then this is the axis left. I forgot to change the color. Okay, our legend, because all of them are white. How about black? Okay, and then let's just run again. Okay, that's it, the legend bubble chart example, and then the legend. Okay, this is it. Then thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more updates and the programming tutorial. Add some reviews and thank you comment for this tutorial. Thank you. Thank you for watching.